what's good, Joe? Welcome back to Anomalous today. Doing Cup of Charm. It ain't no Lucky Charms, buddy. I almost said that's for kids, but that's tricks. Don't get that confused. It's sweet, almost dizzying, so like candied roses melting on my tongue. My cheeks flush involuntarily, and I giggle, though I don't know why. A faint bitterness lingers, and a strange, unsteady feeling creeps in, like I'm losing control, like I'm losing myself in the shine. Wonder why. I can see why. Why does charm lead to an anglerhead? My question is how? How does the two even correlate? I don't like that. Reminds me of the Iron Lung movie. That creature was very disturbing, by the way. If you've never seen that movie, I'm not going to spoiler that. Mark White did a good job. Alright, that is the Cup of Charm. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.